Hey guys, I wanted to give you a video to let you know about some changes that are going to occur so that we can get caught up in our schedule. We've had some shortened bells for one reason or another, and we're a little behind. So we're going to play catch up. All right, I sent you all an email that told you where you need to read to in Fahrenheit 451 by Wednesday. It won't take you that long to read it, but I need you to have that read by Wednesday. I think in the Red and Black book, it's on page 115. But the line is, and he stumbled along the alley in the dark. And he stumbled along the alley in the dark. And it takes place at Montag's house, where we left off at the end of part 2, where they pulled up with the fire chief and the firefighters and the fire truck, okay, at Montag's house. So read that section. And he stumbled in the alley in the dark, page 115 if you have the Red and Black books, by Wednesday. So we're not going to read that together. You need to read that on your own so you know what's going on. On Tuesday, by the end of the bell, your character analysis projects are due. So you had Wednesday, and you had half a bell on Thursday to work on it. If you need to finish typing up the answers to your essential questions this weekend or your character sketch, please do that. So that on Tuesday, you guys are just having to use that time to finish up the poster, and you can all contribute to getting that finished. And then Wednesday we'll talk about what you've read. And we are going to have the book finished by next Friday. So between reading in class and reading at night, the book will be finished by next Friday. And then you'll take the first part of the Fahrenheit test on Monday the 26th, which will be the multiple choice part. I won't see most of you on Tuesday the 27th because of ACT testing and the schedule is crazy. And then Wednesday, you'll take the essay part of the Fahrenheit 451 test. And then on March the 1st, we are going to start our columnist unit, which means, I know you're going to cry about this, but the theme project's been nixed so that we can catch up with everything and move on to the columnist unit March 1st with the rest of the 9th graders. So if you've been following your theme along in the book, that's great because it's only going to help you on the test. There are still questions about the theme in the test, all the themes. So we'll continue talking about the themes like we have been, but you will not have to do a presentation or a video on the themes. So that's been canceled. The test will be on the 26th and the 28th, so the book will be finished by next Friday. If you have any questions, email me or text me, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And enjoy the rest of your weekend.